welcome to my kitchen. Today we are making Gobi Manchurian. Gobi Manchurian can be served in two ways. Either you can serve it dry as an appetizer, or if you like it with a bit more gravy, then it can be part of the main course. So it is very delicious. It's wonderful. When you cook cauliflower like this, it is the most yummiest vegetable ever. Right, so I have got 750 grams of cauliflower, which I'm going to cut into florets. Then we're going to make a batter. We're going to fry the florets first, and then we're going to make the sauce and combine the two. So watch me as I do this process. Right, so for the Gobi Manchurian, I have chopped up the cauliflower into small florets, about ½ inch each, and I'm going to now make the batter for it. So for the batter, we need 3 tablespoons of plain flour. So 1, 2, 3. And 3 tablespoons of corn flour. And you can then just whisk it up into a smoothish batter, into which we're going to drop the cauliflower, and then we're going to fry it. Now, I've got a tablespoon of sesame oil in there in the pan, and I am going to put in a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Let that fry for a bit. Then we're going to add in the sauces. It's going to be done very quick. So, going to add in some Chow chili oil first, about ½ teaspoon. Then we're going to add in 2 tablespoons of dark soya sauce. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 5 teaspoons. I'm going to add in a couple of tablespoons of light soy sauce. Tablespoon of chili sauce. Now it depends on how hot you like yours. We're going to put in a squeeze of ketchup. That's about 1 tablespoon. And we're going to put in the slurry of corn flour and water. And then finally we're going to put in cauliflower. This can be adjusted with hot water. Increase the heat. there you have it, Gobi Manchurian. Stays crispy. This is going to be served up as a main with the rice, which is why I've put a bit of gravy on it. Well, water, not really gravy. Sauce. That is done. Cauliflower Manchurian is ready.